Hello, I'm Jeremy York, a sales representative for Keith Manufacturing. Keith Manufacturing is a third-generation family business that was established and has operated here in the heart of Oregon since the early 1970s. For nearly half a century, Keith Manufacturing has been an industry leader in material handling with our walking floor conveyors. We've become the most reliable and trusted solutions manufacturer for difficult and hard-to-handle materials. From that experience and our dedication to constant improvement and continuous innovation, we're proud to introduce the LeanLine Conveyor.